Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to display text in a text box in C# programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We have here a form. Go to the toolbox, text box, and then drag here on the form. And double click the form 1, and then we have your type text 1 dot text. Let's say for example double quotation hello in C sharp, close it, semicolon, that's it. And then we click the play button here. When the program is execute, it will display hello in C sharp. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.